Homesteading isn't just about hard work. It's about working smart with nature. Let's dive into how intuition can help you create a sustainable, fulfilling homestead. Your gut knows more than you think. Intuition helps you understand your land, your plants, and even your animals. No manual required. Start by observing your land, sunlight, soil, water flow. Trust your instincts to pick the best spots for gardens and energy systems. Nature knows best. Plant your crops based on seasonal cues. Watch the weather, the trees, even how the soil feels in your hands. Your instincts can guide you to the best energy solutions. Feel that sunny spot? Perfect for solar. A breezy hill? Hello, wind power. Animals communicate more than you think. Use your intuition to sense when they're thriving or when they need a little extra care. Turn scraps into gold. Compost your waste, repurpose materials, and let your creativity turn trash into treasures for your homestead. Nature is unpredictable, but your instincts will help you adapt. Whether it's a sudden frost or a heavy rain, you'll know how to pivot. Homesteading is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate every fresh carrot, every sunny day, and every moment of peace with your land. Ready to trust your instincts and live sustainably? Start small, listen to nature, and let your intuition guide you to a thriving homestead. Live simply, thrive naturally.